Hi, my name is Beth, and I'm a programming assistant for the St. Johns County Public Library System, and you are watching In the Bubble, a program where we make things. Today, I thought that we would make some decorative patterned eggs. Spring is definitely in the air, and I think these will be very pretty decoration to have on the table to recognize spring. This is a very easy project. It only takes maybe well, it only really takes about 5 minutes to actually do, but there is some drying time. So all said and done, it'll probably take about maybe 30 minutes to create it and let it dry. So this is very easy. Let's go ahead and get started. To do this project, you just need a few very simple materials. You'll need either wooden craft eggs, which I got these. It's a bag of wooden eggs that I got for about $5 on Amazon. You could also use hollowed out real eggshells if you wanted. You will need some Podge, which you can get from any craft store. I got this at Michael's. You will need some paper napkins in whatever pattern of your choice. I got this particular set of paper napkins from the Oh Happy Day website, but you can get paper napkins from anywhere, really. You will need a paintbrush and a pair of scissors, and then you might want some kind of surface to use while you're painting the Mod Podge on your egg. You don't want to get it on your table. And that's really all you need. So for the first step, take one of your napkins and unfold it, and just go ahead and cut out one square. And then you can put the other 3/4 of the napkin aside. So just kind of taking one of your eggs just to gauge, even, one square is going to be maybe a little too big. So just kind of cut maybe a circle out of this square. So that you don't have excess paper. And you could always add more if for some reason you cut too much away. But again, we can just kind of see, like I might have cut too much away, but I can always take little pieces of this and Mod Podge those on there as well. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take my paintbrush, dip it in the Mod Podge, and I'm going to just kind of paint a layer of Mod Podge onto the back side of the napkin. And I'm going to cover it completely. And then I'm going to take my egg, put it in the center, and then just start wrapping the napkin around the egg. And you can see that I definitely cut a little bit too much napkin away. So I'm just going to take another section of my napkin square, and I will again put some Mod Podge on the back of the square. And wrap that around to cover the part that I had accidentally cut away. So now my entire egg is wrapped in the paper, and I'm just going to kind of press down to get rid of any little wrinkles as much as I can, and just kind of tap that down. And now I'm going to set this aside and I'm going to let this dry for about 5 or 10 minutes. But while I do that, I'll just go on and repeat the same step for my other eggs. Okay, so now that you've let your eggs, you've covered all of your eggs and you've let them dry for about 5-10 minutes, now you're just gonna cover the whole egg with the Mod Podge to make it glossy and also to kind of help hold down any pieces that might be kind of stuck up on top of each other. So I'm just gonna cover it completely and the Mod Podge will dry clear. And you can either do this in stages, like do all of the tops so that you can rest it down, or you can just do one at a time and just kind of hold it until it's dry enough to put down. I would recommend doing the tops, letting that dry, and then do the bottoms. But just to show you, I've covered this entire thing, so now I'll let it dry and then I'll do the rest. And there you go, you've got a nice bowl of springtime eggs to decorate your house. You can keep them in a bowl, you can put them in a little basket, you can hang them from your stair banister. You can do whatever you want with these. They might make a good little gift, but it's fun and easy and just took a few minutes. If you enjoyed this video and you want to get some more resources about making some crafts using Decoupage, check out some of these books that we have in our library system, like Mod Podge Rocks, Decoupage Your World by Amy Anderson, or Craft a Day, 365 Simple Handmade Projects. We have so many different craft books in the St. Johns County Public Library System, but I think this one is very adorable. But if you need help, just ask anybody at your local library and we will surely be able to help you find many different kinds of resources for all your crafting needs. Well, thank you so much for joining me today. I had a lot of fun and I hope you did as well. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, comment on it, and share it with your friends. And please stay tuned for the St. Johns County Public Library System's website, Facebook page, and YouTube channel for more great programming for adults, teens, and children. We hope to see you soon at the library. Have a great day.